How to get a huge credit limit increase from Chase. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is maintain a good credit score. Your credit score plays a crucial role in determining your credit limit. Make sure you have a good to excellent credit score by consistently paying your bills on time and managing your debts responsibly. Build a positive payment history. Pay your credit card bills in full and on time to show Chase that you are a reliable borrower. This demonstrates responsible credit usage and increases your chances of a credit limit increase. Use your credit card regularly. Using your Chase credit card regularly and responsibly can solely ensure that you are actively managing your finances. Just make sure to keep your credit utilization ratio low to avoid appearing risky. Pay more than minimum. Whenever possible, pay more than the minimum amount due on your credit card statement. This demonstrates your ability to manage large amount of credit and may increase your chances of a credit limit increase. Lastly, consider your timing. Timing is key. If you have recently received a credit limit increase or applied for new credit, it may be best to wait for a few months before requesting another increase. Give yourself time to demonstrate responsible credit usage. Remember, there is no guaranteed method for securing a huge credit limit increase from Chase, but by following these steps and demonstrating responsible credit usage, you can improve your chances. So this way you can get a huge credit limit increase from Chase. That's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.